All right, check this out. If you got a Range Rover Sport, this body style, and when you turn it on and you have the air at max, and you're getting a small rattling noise. Doesn't sound like it's coming from the outside, sounds like it's coming from the inside, and it's correlated with the fan speed, especially like if you have the fans directed at your feet. This is what I found. This box goes underneath the vehicle. This is like your heater or your AC box that sprays the air underneath the seats, ventilates the seats and stuff like that, right? What they do, come on Range Rover, we're spending a lot of money on all this stuff. These two vents are directly underneath the driver's seat. They're blowing air out. There is no shield over these two vents. So what happens? Kids are in the back, they're throwing stuff everywhere, fops down in there, right? You're gonna get a rattling noise. You gotta take this whole thing off, only to come and find out this fell through, went through, landed right on the fan, causing a noise. Just a little cat, probably from a kid or something. So that's what you got going on if you got one of these. Is it a pain in the butt to do? It's not too bad. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. The hardest part is removing those damn shields, you know? That's the most time consuming in all reality. Unplug it, drop it down. It's a little heavy, so I use the jack to get it down. Pop that out of there and then plug her back up.